Lights up my phone at night. I don't reply, I just stay quiet. You're somewhere laughing, moving on. I'm still awake when you're gone. I see the places that you choose. I close the app, but still I lose. So close. You're everywhere, just not with me. I see your light, but you don't see me. You're everywhere, on every screen, but in my world, you're not with me. Your hair is shorter, smiles the same. You look so free, I feel the change. You seem okay, you seem alright. I break it down alone at night. I tell myself I'll be just fine. Then midnight hits. You cross my mind. One touch, too late. Tonight, I just hate how this feels right. I would have stayed, I would have tried if you had